guys, Ola is here, and today I'm gonna make a hair treatment that you're gonna love. Now, this treatment has kind of two stages. First stage will be we're gonna treat our roots, and then we're gonna continue with the rest of the hair. And you just need simple ingredients that probably you have at home. So let's begin. Little massage is always good. Okay, so for the first part of our treatment, we need olive oil, rosemary, and peppermint essential oils. Instead of olive oil, you can use grapeseed oil or avocado oil. Everything is good. Peppermint. And massage it into our roots. Like this. Now, when the roots are soaking, I'd like to prepare for the part 2. Okay, so I prepared a bowl. I use green clay, 1 large scoop. It's not even full. You see? Coconut oil. Now I have vitamin E capsules. 1 or 2 is enough. Warm coconut milk. So now we got a paste.